I don't want to pull too hard.
Woo, no!
I can't believe this.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Oh, magic!
The best place on the internet to learn new magic tricks, and in this case, pranks. I am your host, EvanEra, and today I'm showing you 7 magic pranks for April Fools. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! Be sure to stay tuned for the end of the video. If you can solve this week's riddle, you win a prize.
All right, Evan, so you have a trick to show me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so watch the egg.
Okay. Whoa. Oh! Oh! Whoa. Oh! I can't believe you just did that. Whoa!
Dead. Seriously? Seriously? Fine. I'll just use this one.
Here's how to set this up. Go to google.com and type in fake outlet sticker. Click the first image that pops up, and then you're going to print this out on sticker paper. But this is what you will come out with, a sticker version of an outlet, just like this. Once you've trimmed it up and peeled it off the sticker paper, you're then ready to just stick it onto the wall in a place where it looks like there would be an outlet. Then your prank is set. All you have to do is wait for someone to come along and try to plug something into it, and they'll be completely hoodwinked when they realize that the outlet is fake. A harmless April Fool's prank that you can do at home. Here's what you're gonna need to set this up. So you need some Mentos, a bottle of soda, Diet Coke or Coke, it really doesn't matter which. And you're gonna need this right here. This is a little plastic tube that I created. And you can see right down here, I put a slit in the bottom of it. And this is just another piece of plastic that slides right through it, just like that. Now I've attached a string here on the end. This is what we're gonna attach to the door. So as you can see, the plastic tube will just fit right down over the mouth of the bottle, just like this. Now we take our little piece of plastic and we slide it in this slot that we've made, and this is gonna block the Mentos from falling in. So now we can drop them down inside and they will sit right on top of that piece of plastic. So we can just fill this whole thing with Mentos. Now that you've got it loaded with Mentos, you're going to set this up in front of the door. When this is pulled, all the Mentos will be deployed into the bottle. The other end of the string, you're going to attach to the door handle, and obviously you have to make sure the door opens out so it pulls the string. So now your prank is all set up. All you have to do is wait for somebody to come in and open the door. It pulls the piece of plastic out, the Mentos fall in, and there is your Coke fountain. Okay, V, check this out. I have a foam egg here.
Okay.
Watch, this is really cool. I stuff it into my fist like this. Watch.
Okay, it's gonna be... Oh, that's cute! Good job! Aw, thank you. That's sweet.
That's right, we have magic sponge foam doves available now at EvanEraTV.com. A lot of you guys have asked for this. Go to the link in the description if you want to pick one of these up. They're gonna go quick though. They're gonna fly right out the door. It's a sponge dove. You can conceal it in your hand. It's a perfect way to make a bird appear. Again, go to EvanEraTV.com, EvanEraTV.com, EvanEraTV.com. That is our online magic shop. We have tons of really cool tricks like this and Laugh at Life merch on the discount, on the cheap right now. Go get your Laugh at Life shirt for like 10 bucks.
Yeah, I have to be there by 3. So I'm leaving right after work. Okay. Thank you. I'll see you then.
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this prank, it's extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's how you set this up. You're going to need some Skittles or M&Ms, some kind of small candy like this, and you're going to need a fridge with an ice dispenser. So on the inside of the fridge, here's the ice maker. It's different on a lot of different fridges, so you'll have to figure yours out. It probably won't be exact same as this. Start by filling it up with some candy. If it has ice in it already, you'll need to remove that. Once your prank is set, all you have to do is wait for somebody to come get some ice, and your prank will be deployed.
Evan, come here. Seriously, come here. What? I can't get my hand out of this jar.
It's stuck?
Yes.
What'd you do? How'd it get stuck? Oh my
Try
god.
to pull it off. I'm freaking out.
Don't panic, don't panic.
Get the soap.
I don't want to pull too hard. Yeah. Maybe put some soap on it. Hang on. Yeah. Here, now try. What? It's out.
You didn't just see me.
What?
I just put the soap. You didn't put the soap on my hand. I just put the soap on my hand.
Oh.
I pulled my hand out of the jar.
Oh, I thought it was actually stuck.
Did you seriously not see?
No. What's up, dude?
Hey.
What you up to?
Amazon.
Alright, good chat. I'm gonna go to my office.
The dad, he has a tail.
What did you do?
Gotcha. April Fool's.
How did this thing get on me? It's stuck to the...
Okay, here is how you set up this funny April Fool's prank. You're gonna need some double-sided tape, and you also need one of these paper streamers. It's like a paper garland for decorating at parties, but it can also be used for a fun prank like this. It expands. As you can see, all the paper is connected like this. So all you gotta do, as you saw in the performance, is put a couple pieces of double-sided tape on each side of it, one on this side to stick it to the chair, and then one on the other side to stick to the person when they sit on it. Then all you have to do is wait for them to get up, and you magically create a colorful tail for them. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win one of these paper streamers. I'm gonna send one to one of you guys. One lucky comment in the comment section will win. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. Please hit that thumbs up and share the video on your Facebook or your Twitter or on your YouTube page. It really helps the algorithm, helps more people see the video, and the channel gain more subscribers. We're on that road to 3 million YouTube subscribers. I know we're gonna get there, but I need your help. So please subscribe to the channel if you're new, share it with a friend, and if you like the pranks, be sure to tune in next week for more amazing magic tricks. If you're looking for more April Fool's pranks ideas, be sure to check out our playlist. We've been making April Fool's videos on YouTube for years. Check it out. And it's giveaway time. We do a giveaway on every single episode of How to Magic, and this week is no different. I'm giving away the magic foam birds and a selection of our favorite magic pranks from EvanEraTV.com. So leave a comment in the comment section down below with your answer to this week's riddle. Here it is. You go at red, but stop at green. What am I? Leave your answer in the comment section down below, and I will be revealing the solution to the riddle next week on my Instagram. Here is the solution to last week's riddle. A lot of you guys got this right. It is the number 8, because if you turn it sideways, it's an infinity sign, and then cut it in half, and it's 0. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to our email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck if you're entering this giveaway. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Happy April Fools.